Hello, and welcome to our video presentation introducing our company's sample retention system. We understand the importance of ensuring product quality. In this video, we're going to explain our system in detail. Before shipping our products to customers, except regular quality inspections of each batch, we will keep an extra 20 samples per size in our warehouse. These samples are stored for a period of 2 years. This practice allows us to have a comprehensive record of our products for future reference. When customers receive their orders and encounter any quality issues, they can easily address them by providing the order number. Using our internal system, we can quickly locate the corresponding batch of retained samples and conduct additional testing to verify the reported problems. Once the testing is complete, we will compile a video summarizing the results and send it to the customer. This video can clearly show whether there are any problems reported by customers. We believe that clear communication and collaboration are essential in finding the optimal solutions. Here we are about to show you two kind of testing videos for client complaint. The first one is hardness of rivet body. The second one is plating thickness. Our sample retention system ensures a smooth process for handling customer complaints, with no the need for customers to send back the samples. By implementing this highly efficient back-end quality control approach, we can effectively safeguard product quality and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching our video presentation on our sample retention system. If you have any further questions or require additional information, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.